Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept, and today we will be learning about how you can do swing trading with a very simple strategy, or if you are a beginner, so you can also apply this strategy while you are doing the swing trading. Okay, now before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below with which you can download and install the Quants application. Okay, after successful registration, you will get some free tools here that you can use for your trading journey. Okay, now at any point of time, if you think you want to see many more videos, so here in the learn section we have video library. Okay, you can go through these videos that are on Pro Plus tools and various strategies that you can use. Now also they are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil. Okay, and at any point of time, if you are having any kinds of doubts, so you can go in the profile section. We have a support, so you can get our contact number and email ID, right? So you can directly contact us, okay, and we will be there to sort your queries out. राइट चलो बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज हाउ टू डू द स्विंग ट्रेडिंग एंड बेसिकली फॉर द बिगिनर्स आल्सो, बिकॉज वी विल बी टेलिंग यू अ वेरी सिंपल स्ट्रेटजी हियर। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्विंग ट्रेडिंग, सो व्हाट इट इज, स्विंग ट्रेडिंग क्या है, ठीक है। सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्विंग ट्रेडिंग, इट मींस यू आर मेकिंग एंट्री इन अ ट्रेड एंड यू वांट टू होल्ड इट फॉर डेज लाइक 3 days or 4 days, right, or 5 days. So when you hold a trade for this time period, okay, I am talking about days, not minutes, right? So when you hold a trade for this time period, then it is known as swing trade. Okay, it is swing trade. It can be of 7 days also, 8 days also, right? So it is a swing trading. Then you say you are doing the swing trading. Now in swing trading, what happens, it is less risk, there is less risk. Why? Because of the market volatility, because of market volatility. So if you are doing the swing trading, there will be less premium decay, right? So that is one of the benefit that you will get. But there is one more thing that you have to be very careful about, the gap up and gap down of the market, right? So that is only one thing you have to care about, otherwise your premium will decay very slowly in swing trading, right? So this is all about swing trading. Now how you can find a good swing trades for yourself, right? So that is when you have to go in the Concept application, right? And in the Concept application you have to go in the track, okay, and in the track there is a built up script symbol. Okay, so here it will show you like which are the stocks or indices which are in the long run, in the bullish direction or in the bearish direction, and this tool is free. Okay, so you can access it, right? Now when we are talking about it, so right now I can also select a sector here. For example, I can see let's select auto sector. So in auto sector I can see the Escorts, M&M, Maruti, they are all in the long position. It means they are giving me a good position in buying side, so I can make an entry in this stock. Right now the question remains when to make the entry. Okay, so I'll get into that question. Okay, now first of all I can see right now if I'm talking about Escorts, so this is the symbol, then I can see the price that is right now going on of Escorts. Okay, this is the open interest, right, 2434, and I can see here the price is increasing as well as the OI is increasing. That means the open interest is also increasing, right? So this means this is a good stock for me. Now at any point of time, here I can see in this stock, that is Ashok Leyland. So in Ashok Leyland the price is increasing, but at the same time the open interest is decreasing. That means the people are losing interest, the contract are decreasing. So I have to avoid this type of stocks where any one of these readings are in negative or in red color, so you can ignore that one, right? So let's say for example I'm selecting 1 or 2 stocks from here. So I'll go with the Escorts and let's go with the M&M and Maruti. I'll see 2 or 3 stocks here. So what I'll do now, I'll directly go in the analyze, and from the analyze charts, order and trade. Okay, so right now I have opened here my charts. Now to apply this strategy, I'll apply an indicator here, but before applying indicator I'll select my time frame to daily. Okay, so here and daily time frame, so you also have to select the daily time frame when you are trading with this strategy, right? And I'll change it to the stock that we have analyzed there. So for example I'm going with M&M. M&M is here. Okay, so let's go with the M&M. I have selected randomly this stock. Okay, we will say Maruti also, right? Now in the M&M, I can see the market right now it is in sideways direction. Now what I'll apply, I'll go in the indicator, and in the indicator there is a indicator that have been used by many of the traders, right? And that is the super trend. Okay, so today we will be talking about that super trend. Okay, now how super trend works? So super trend basically tells you about the overall trend of the market, right? You can see here, whenever there is a green line, it shows you the market is in the uptrend. Okay, whenever there is a green line, the market shows you that it is in a bullish direction. And whenever there is a red line, that shows you the market is in negative direction. Okay, so this is how you can analyze your trend also. Okay, there is one more other thing. Okay, how to analyze the super trend. So whenever your market will be above, the price or the candles will be above this super trend line, that means that is a uptrend. Okay, and whenever your market will be below this line, below this super trend, that means that is a downtrend, or you can say bearish market, right? Now there are two things, you can say methods how you can take entry with the help of super trend. Let me tell you one by one. Okay, so first of all, the first method is that you have to make the entry whenever the market is changing its trend. Okay, and this is the time whenever your market will cross this super trend in the against direction or in the opposite direction. For example, let me show you how. Let me zoom the chart a little. For example, at this point of time, you can see here, this is the time when my market was in the negative direction, because the market is below this super trend. Let me come here. The market is below this super trend, so it means right now the market is in negative condition. Okay, now if I have to make the entry in the bullish side, I will have to wait for the market to cross this super trend, and this is the time when this super trend also gave me an arrow in the upward direction. So that is a little bit hint for you also, that the market is now it will go in the bullish direction also. Okay, so you can see it successfully broke it out, the super trend. And then how you can make entry? So the candle, you have to wait for the candle to close above this super trend. Okay, so it means if I'm applying a daily time frame and this is my super trend, okay, so I have to wait for my candle to close above it like this, or it can also break it and close above like this. Okay, so if either of these two conditions will be satisfied, then I'll make my entry on the next day candle. For example, this was the super trend, my candle closed like this or this. Okay, so I'll mark the high, and when the next day this high will be broken, then I'll make my entry in the particular trade. Okay, now what will be the stop loss? Now if we are going for the swing trading, so you have to make your stop loss the previous swing low. For example, if I'm making my entry here, so the previous swing low, it will be my stop loss, right? And the target, so for the target you can choose 1:2, 1:3, because you are going for swing trades, and there will be times when you will follow the super trend accurately, so it can also give you 1.4 or 1.5 risk reward ratio. Okay, if you will follow the trend. So this is my entry point, and then you can see the market went upward, a little correction, and then it went upward further direction. Right, so this was the first thing when I'll take trade when my market is breaking the super trend in the opposite direction. Now what if the market is already in an uptrend? Then how can I take the entry with the help of this super trend? Right, so there is one more thing that you have to know, like super trend is an indicator that tells you about the trend, but there is one more feature that many of the traders don't know about the super trend. The super trend is a very good support and resistance for you. Okay, the super trend, I'll repeat myself, the super trend is a very good support and resistance for you. If you guys are unable to draw support and resistance by yourself, so you can take a help of super trend. Okay, how? Let's see. Okay, so first of all, if I'm taking a trade here, so you can see a buying indication also from the super trend. Okay, now I have made my entry. Suppose there maybe some traders who have missed this entry. So what can they do? Whenever your market will pull back at this super trend, so it will act as a support for you whenever your market is in the uptrend. So right now I can see my market is in uptrend. So whenever my market will go in the upward direction and then it will fall back, retest, when it will retest, so this super trend will act as a support for your market. ठीक है, so नीचे आया the super trend acted as a support. You can make an entry from this point as well. Okay, entry ली, and then it again went in the upward direction, right? So whenever your market will come back here at the super trend, that is the point you can again make an entry. So this is how you can make an entry in a uptrending market. ठीक है, first of all, in the first condition we talked about how you can make entry whenever there is a change in the trend reversal. जैसे यहाँ पे मार्केट नीचे आ रहा था और फिर यहाँ से अपवर्ड ट्रेंड स्टार्ट हो गया. So how you can make the entry swing trades whenever there is a change in trend, right? Now the second condition is how you can make your entry in a trending market. If a market is already trending in upward direction or downward direction, so how can you make an entry there? Right? So as you can also see here, right now the market was in the bearish direction. Now it has successfully broken it out in today's market. If this candle will close above this super trend, I'll wait for it, I'll mark its high, and then I'll take entry here. Okay, you can also use other confirmation also, right? What I'll do, I'll make this swing low as my stop loss, right? So this is the first condition where I'm trading with the trend reversal, right? And when I'll go with the trend, so I'll make my entry at the pullbacks. Okay, so whenever there will be a pullback, that will be my entry, right? Let's see it as let's see this super trend with some other stock. Okay, so now I'm applying some other stock here. For example, let me apply some other stock. So the other stock we saw, that was Maruti. So I'll apply this in Maruti as well. Okay, now I can see Maruti is clearly in the sideways direction right now, right? So this is not the market for the buyers because their premium will decay. Okay, but if you are trading in the pullback, so you can say, as I have told you, this super trend will act as a very good resistance or support for you. So right now, if my market is above it, it means there is a green line. Okay, so it means that is telling you overall the market condition is bullish, right? So what I'll do, I'll go with the pullbacks. So market went upwards, it came back, took support here. So I have told you it can act as your support as well. So acted as a support, again went upward, pull back, again acted as a support, and you can see you could have made good profit in a sideways market also if you have used super trend as your support or as your resistance also, right? So this is how you can use super trend. Let me see if I'm getting another example also here. Okay, right? So you can see here right now my market, it is red in color. My market is below this super trend. That means this is the negative condition, downward trend of the market. Now if my market will break this super trend, that means now there will be a change in reversal. Otherwise I can take this super trend as my resistance, and if my market is going below, if I'm taking it as resistance, so it means my market will fall back again here, right? So I'll mark this low of this candle as my entry point. If my market will break this, I'll take my entry in the downward direction. If my candle will break this super trend, then I'll take my entry in the bullish direction. So this is how you can take both the trades of reversal also, as well as you can enjoy your trend also, right? With the proper support and resistance, and you can say the target and the stop loss that I have shown you with this strategies. So guys, this is this very simple and basic strategy that you can use with a very simple indicator, that is super trend. Okay, तो काफी लोगों ने यूज भी किया होगा, but आज और अच्छे से मैंने आपको बता दिया. So now you can use it very precisely. Okay, and you will get some fruitful result in your trading. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. अगर आपको आज का कॉन्सेप्ट पसंद आया, you got to learn something, okay, then you can like the video, you can comment us down your queries, और जो भी चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगी. If you are new to the video, you can subscribe the channel also. Thank you so much. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.